Whoa, what's up everyone, my name is Abhishek, you are watching Excel World, let's get started. Welcome back guys, in this video I'm going to show you 10 advanced level Excel shortcut keys that will make your work more easier. So the first one is, if I want to tell you that you have to go from one worksheet to another worksheet without using mouse, how you can do that? So we are going to use simply Control plus page down button that is available on your top right corner of your keyboard. Just simply press Control plus page down and you are in the next worksheet. Then again you have to press Control plus page down. So now you can go wherever you want to go, and to go back you just simply have to press Control plus page up and you're in the previous worksheet. So this is how you can move from worksheet to worksheet without using any mouse. The second shortcut key in Excel, maybe some of you may know about this one, but most of the people will save their file by clicking on the file option and then save as and choose a location, but this is the old way. If you want to become an Excel star, you just simply have to press F12 on the keyboard. That will open a dialog box and you can save your file at your preferred location. This is how you can save your file in just a couple of seconds. The third shortcut key is one of my favorite shortcut keys in Excel. So for example, if you want to paste a formula on these cells at the same time, how you can do that? So you simply have to select this range, then you have to type your formula, and then you don't have to press enter. You have to press Control plus enter to paste the formula down. So this is how you can paste your formula at the same time to your selected range. The fourth shortcut key in Excel is to auto-fit your columns. I know some of you may know about this one, but using a shortcut key is one of my favorite. For this I am going to select A1 cell, then Control plus A to select my data, then I have to auto fit my columns. So I have to simply press Alt HOI and here you go, and you can see my data is auto fit, my columns are auto fit. So this is how you can auto fit your data by using Alt HOI. The fifth shortcut key in Excel is about hiding rows and columns with using shortcut keys. So for example, I have to hide the 12th row from this data table. I have to simply click any cell in the 12th row. I will click this one, then I have to press Control plus 9 to hide my row, and you can see the 12th row is hidden now. And for column, if I have to hide the E column, I simply have to click any cell in the E column and then press Control plus 0, and you can see after D I got F. So this is how you can hide rows and columns in your data table. The sixth shortcut key is also very useful to make quick charts. So for example, I have to select my whole data and then I will simply press F11 and that will make a quick chart for me. You can simply change the type of the chart, make line, pie, bar graph, whatever you want. You can change the design, change the format. So this is how you can make quick charts by using Excel shortcut key. The seventh shortcut key in Excel is about how you can make new worksheet at the same time. So for example, I have to make 5 new worksheets at the same time. How I can do that? I simply have to click Control plus F11 and I will click Control plus F11 5 times. So this is how you can make new worksheet at the same time with the Excel shortcut key. The eighth shortcut key in Excel is setting up your numbers in your currency. So for example, if you want to select your data and you want to convert that data into your currency numbers, so you simply have to press Control Shift 4 and you can see I got dollar sign in front of my numbers. So if you set any other currency in Excel, that will be automatically be here. So this is how you can set your currency numbers on your data table. The ninth shortcut key in Excel is about if you want to check where you applied some formulas in the worksheet. you can simply press Ctrl plus tilde button, and you can see that button on the top left section of your keyboard. So this is how you can check where you applied formulas, and to go back to the normal view, simply press Ctrl plus tilde button again. So this is how you can check your formulas that you applied in your worksheet. The last shortcut key is about how you can do the auto sum very quickly. So for this, suppose you want to auto sum these three columns at the same time, you just have to simply press these three cells and then click Alt plus equal to, and here you go, and you can see these three columns are auto sum. This is how you can do auto sum very quickly. I hope you like my content. If you like, please hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if